Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of topic non-metals and their compounds. Those are very important for your upcoming examination. The next question is, the mixture of white and red phosphorus can be separated by using. The right answer is that C is NaOH. Question 173. Which of the following is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity? The right answer is C. Bismuth. Question 174. The conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into compounds is called C. Nitrogen fixation. 175. In the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald process, which of the following is used? The right answer is A. PTRH. The next question 176. The starting material in Birkeland and Ide process for the manufacture of nitric acid is, the right answer is 176 का B, that is N2 and O2. The next question, the mixture of white and red phosphorus can be separated by using CNaOH. 178. Which of the following is formed when the white phosphorus is heated at 540 Kelvin in the absence of air? The right answer is 178 का, that is your C is red phosphorus. 179. P4O10 is an aldehyde of. The right answer is C HPO3. 180. Which of the following is not true about urea? The right answer is 180 का B, that is it cannot be used for all types of crops and soils. Next question 181. Which is a constituent of Thomas slag? The right answer is C, that is your Ca3PO4 का whole twice. Next question 182. Which is the best fertilizer? Best fertilizer is B, that is triple phosphate. The next question, oxygen was discovered by A, that is Priestley. Question 184. Which element is the most abundant on the earth crust? The right answer is D, that is oxygen. 185. Which one of the following is the highest ionization energy? The A, that is oxygen. Next question 186. Oxygen molecule shows B, paramagnetism. Next question. Which of the following is not a chalcogen? The right answer is 187 का B, that is sodium. Next question. Which one is the true peroxide? The right answer is D, that is your S2O2. Next question. Ozone molecules is the C, dimagnetic. Which of the following has the lowest boiling point? That is A, S2S. Ozone is easily detected by use by 191 का B, that is your Hg. Ozone turns starch iodine paper. B, blue. Name the flame having maximum temperature. C, oxyacetylene. The compound in which hydrogen shows one oxidation state is B, N2O2. The compound in which oxygen shows +2 oxidation state, D, that is your F2O. Ozone may not act as a B, dehydrating agent. Sulfur molecules is D, S8. A gas that cannot be collected over water is C, SO2. The next question 199. Bleaching of action of SO2 is due to B, reduction. SO2 is not a basic oxide. Next question. Sodium thiosulfate is used in a photography because it C, that is complex forming behavior. Next question. Which is the catalyst used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process? D, that is V2O5. 203. Which is the catalyst used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by lead chamber process? 203 का D, that is oxide of nitrogen. S2S2O8 is called A. Persulfuric acid. 205. Sulfuric acid has a great affinity for water because C. Acid forms hydrides with water. Next, 206. Which is known as oil of Victorial? Right answer is B, that is S2SO4. Which one is the Carso acid? The right answer is S2SO5. The next question. Oleum is C, that is fuming S2SO4. Next question. 209. Ozone is an dash of oxygen. C. Allotrope. Next question. Hypo is used A. in developing photographic. Next question. The order of acidic nature of oxide is D. SO3 greater than P2O5 greater than CO2. Next question. Which of the following is called sulfuric anhydride? Right answer is D, that is SO3. SO2 plus Cl2 gives us sunlight product. The product is B. Sulfuryl chloride. Next question. Photoconductors of Xerox machine is D. Selenium. 215. A colorless gas with smell of rotten egg is C. S2S. Next question. A colorless gas with smell of rotten fish is right answer is B, that is PS3. 217. The following compounds react with concentrate H2SO4 gives CO2 gas. The right answer is 217 का C, that is your oxalic acid. 218. Which one of the following outer electronic configuration represent of group 16 या chalcogens? The right answer is 218 का, that is right answer is A, that is your NS2 NP4. The next question. The oxidation state of oxygen in O2F2 is A, that is your +1. Next question. 220. The decreasing order of catenation of group 16 element is A. Sulfur greater than Se greater than O greater than Te. Next question. 221. The acidic character of dioxide of member of oxygen family decrease in the order. The right answer is 221 का C, that is your SO2 greater than SeO2 greater than TeO2 greater than POO2. Next question. 222. The structure of ozone is D. Angular. 223. Na2O is C. A basic oxide. Question 224. D. When water is electrolyzed, then which of the following is formed? The right answer is D, that is both B and C, that is O2 and H2. The next question. 225. Which of the following is formed by strong heating of potassium permanganate is 225 का A, that is O2. Which of the following is not a source of sulfur? A. Caranlite. 227. Brimstone is another name of C. Sulfur. 228. Concentrated sulfuric acid is always diluted by adding A. Acid to water. 229. In a laboratory, sulfur dioxide is prepared by D. Copper plus H2SO4. 230. Sulfur dioxide bleaches coloring matter by, the right answer is 230 का C, that is your reduction. Next question. 231. Which of the following is used for treatment of skin disease? That is C, sulfur. Which of the following statement is correct about the sulfur? That is D, all of these. Yani at 160 degrees Celsius, the yellow liquid of sulfur becomes dark brown, and it melts at 115 degrees Celsius and forms a pale yellow liquid, and it boils at 444 degrees Celsius, giving away yellow brown vapors. Next question 233. Which of the following in metallic in nature? That is 233 का D, that is your 1. Metallic in nature in I. Which of the following is metallic in nature? I. 234. Which one of the following is a solid at room temperature? C. That is your I2. Iodine efficiency. Next question. Iodine efficiency in diet is known to cause. 35. That is B. Goiter. 2. Pungent smelling gases bleaching a certain substance. The gases may be B, that is Cl2 and SO2. Next question. Seaweeds are important source of. That is D, I2. Which one of is the formula of bleaching powder? 238 का C, that is CaOCl2. 239. Bleaching powder is obtained by the interaction of Cl2 and D, that is dry slag lime. Interaction of Cl2 and dry slag lime. 240. That is your bleaching. Chlorine is a mixed in seawater so that A, that is bacteria are killed. Chlorine is mixed in water so that bacteria are killed. Next question 241. Which of the following halogens has the greatest electron affinity? C, chlorine. Next, which one of the following is formed from seawater? Which one of the following formed seawater? The right answer is 232 A, that is halogen. Which one of the following present in Teflon? A, F2. Toluene is manufactured by B, that is your Dacon process. The non-metal found in the liquid state is A, boromine. Next, 246. Chromyl chloride test is performed for the confirmation of C, chlorine minus iron. 247. Which halogens form maximum compound with xenon? 247 का A, that is F. 248. Ecochlorine is a mixture of B, Cl2 and ClO2. 249 का B. Chlorine acts as a bleaching agent only in the presence of moisture. 250 का D, that is which of the following compound is used as an anti-chlor, Na2SO2O3. The next question 251. The hydrogen halides with highest boiling point is. The right answer is D, that is your HF. Anhydride of hypochlorous acid is. 252 का A, that is Cl2O. Anhydride of SClO4 is D, that is your Cl2O7. Which of one is the weakest acid? That is A, HF. The oxy acid of halogen has the maximum acidic nature. The right answer is 255 का D, that is SClO4. Bromine gas turns starch, iodine, paper. The right answer is A, that is blue. The acid employed for etching of glass is C, that is your HF. And the photographic plates are coated with a film of B, that is AgBr. Which of the following is a pescudo halogen? The right answer is 259 का C, that is Cn का whole twice. Which of the following is a interhalogen? The right answer is 260 का A, that is IF5. Next question 261. The mixture of concentrated HCl and HNO3 made in 3:1 ratio contains C, that is NCl3. The correct acidic strength is A, that is HF greater less than HCl less than HBr less than HI. Next 263. Which is the following is known as A, that is your NaOCl. Next, which of the following is used as an antiseptic? A, I. Which of the following does not have a bleaching action? 265 का D, Br2. Which of the following has the highest bond energy? B, that is your chlorine. Next, which of the following least bound dissociation energy? 267 का C, that is I2. Next 268, the order of electron affinity of halogen is A, chlorine greater than fluorine greater than Br greater than I. 269, which of the element of group 17 is radioactive? The right answer is B, that is austenite. 270, that is which of the following shows the greatest inert pair effect? Right answer is 270 का C, that is your iodine. Next question, among the halogens the one which is the oxidized by nitric acid? 271 का B, that is iodine. The gas used to extinguish fire is C, that is carbon dioxide. 273, bleaching action of chlorine is due to the formation of. The right answer is 273 का C, that is SCIO. Next question 274, mark the halogen that does not give disproportion reaction with alkalis. The right answer is C, that is fluorine. 275, which of the following is pseudoaldehyde? 275 का C, that is Cn minus. Next question, when CO2 is passed through an aqueous solution of bleaching powder the gas evolved is? 276 का ये, that is chlorine. Next question 277, that is your aqueous solution of bleaching powder gives a test for. 277 का D, that is all Ci minus OC minus and CF2 plus ions. 278, bleaching powder is obtained by the action of fluorine gas and. The right answer is C, that is dry slag lime. 279, furan is used as B, that is a refrigerant. Bleaching powder is obtained by treating Cl2 with A, CaOH का whole twice. The radioactive noble gas is C, Rn. The ease of liquefaction of noble gases decrease in the order A, xenon greater than Kr greater than Ar and E greater than He. Next question 283, the first ever compound of noble gas was prepared by B, Bartlett. Question 284, the last orbit argon would have element C, 8. 25, which of the following noble gas has the largest van der Waal radius? A, that is your Xz. Next question, which of the following has the highest boiling point? The right answer is C, that is your Kr. The first compound of noble gas prepared by Bartlett was D, that is your Xe plus PdF6 minus. Next 288, calathrates are B, non-stomatic compounds. 289, the noble gas used for treatment of cancer is 289 का B, that is radon. 290, the color discharge tubes for advertisement mainly contain. 290 का A, that is neon. 291, sea drivers go deep into the sea water with a mixture of which of the following gases? 291 का D, that is none of these. Next question 292, the gas obtained by radioactive disintegration of radium 226 is 292 का C, that is radon. Next question. 293, which gas is used in a filling electric bulb? The right answer is 293 का, that is your B, argon. 294, which noble gas was discovered in chromosphere of the sun? Is 294 का A, that is helium. 295, which of the following noble gases is least polarizable? 295 का D, that is Xc. Noble gases are 296A, monoatomic. The Cp slash C divide Cv value of organ is 297 का A, that is 1.66. 298, the mixture of noble gases is separated by D, that is your Dewar's coconut charcoal adsorption methods. 299, radon is a B noble gas. 300, the inert gas abundantly found in the atmosphere is D, Ar. Which one of the following is a widely distributed in air? Is C, Ar. The chemical used as a fixture in photography is P, that is sodium thiosulfate. The characteristics odor of garlic is due to B, a sulfur compound. Question 304, the most reactive among the halogen is A, fluorine. 305, acetation A, that to dilute sulfuric acid is added to the water and not water to the acid. Reason are, specific heat of water is quite large. A, that is both A and R are true, but and R is the correct expression of A. Question number 306. Consider the following statement: hard water is not suitable for. The right answer is B, that is 2 and 3.